Welcome guys to my new video. Today I want to show you something. Check this out. Right here you can see the charging port is not working. It's spoiled. It's not working. So guys, I will be showing you how you can be able to change the charging port perfectly without spoiling anything. The phone will charge after the repairing. So without time wasted, let's start the video. But before I start the video, I want to tell you guys something. For my videos, I do not rush my videos. I take time to explain everything, right? I do not rush my video. If I make mistake, you will see I do not hide my mistakes. Everything is open up here for you to see, right? So let me start the video. Engineers, check this out. So first of all, I need to open the phone. You have to be very careful. Check where the locks is, then start from the locks to open the phone. You should be very careful, right? Check the way I'm doing my own. You should be very careful. Please, engineers, make sure you check the fingerprint. Check it very well so that you will not cut the flex. Be very careful when you want to open. Be very careful. Have in mind that this is your customer phone. If something happens to the phone, you will be responsible for it. So be very careful, do it perfectly, take time to do it so that your customer will enjoy your work and that your customer will start telling people that you can repair phone, and from that your customer will now tell other people that you can repair phone, and he or she will bring customer to you, right? You have enough customer and you'll be repairing phone, in fact, throughout the days of your life, you understand? Okay, so now I'm done, and guys, check this out. As you can see, this is where the fingerprint is, so you have to hold it. Be very careful so you will not spoil the fingerprint. Right here, as you can see, I'm done opening the phone cover, right? Any phone cover, you have to be very careful. Okay, check this out. Right here you can see that the charging port is not good, so I will start by removing all the bolts. So take time to do things, don't rush, take time to do it. Don't rush. I take time to do my work so that my customers will enjoy my work. That's why whenever I do anything to my customer, like I repair phone to them, they will later come and tell me, Father Joe, I enjoy what you did, right? I enjoy what you repair because I take my time to actually do what? To work out, right? To work the thing. It's not all about rushing, this out there, no, it's not like that, bro. Take time to do it and your customer will enjoy your work, right? Everything is all about passion. When you're passionate about something, at the end of the day, you achieve the best. Engineers, so do not rush. I will soon be done. I don't want to fast forward this video. I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to learn something. I want you guys to learn. Everybody should learn. You're a beginner. You can work phone any level you are. I want you to learn, right? There are a lot of people who wants to join this phone repairing, so you can learn from the scratch, like the way I'm showing you. You can actually learn from the scratch by knowing how to lose phone notes, how to repair, how to do a lot of things, right? So I don't want to fast forward. So I want you guys to learn from the scratch, right? Okay, take your time to do this, engineers. I will soon be done. Just few of it remaining. I will soon be done. Guys, I will soon be done. Okay, if you have question, let me know in the comment section. If you have question, I will be very happy to see your question. Engineers, let me tell you something, engineers. Our business is growing and we are working tirelessly to make sure our business reach enough customers audience out there. So we are going to employ workers to our business that will help us to respond to comments and a whole lot of things. So with time, all of this will be available. So guys, do not worry in terms of the comment and a whole lot of things. We are not sitting down, we are working tirelessly to make sure our business improve. So guys, check this out. So take time to remove the downboard cover, which is the downboard casing. Right here you can see this is the charging port. Check this out. So this is the charging port. As you can see, it's dirty, it's rust, it's not good again. So make sure you start by removing the network cable. Please make sure you take time to disconnect everything before you remove the panel. Okay, check this out. So this is the panel now. As you can see, the panel is working, but the charging port is not good again. Check this out. So what I will do now is for me to remove it, right? Okay, so let me show you how to remove it. I'm going to use my lighter to remove it. Check this out. I'm going to use my lighter to remove it perfectly. I have tools, but I just want to show you how to use this for the sake of those who do not have working tools and they are ready to work phone. Okay, check this out. I'm going to use this lighter. Engineers, let me tell you the difference between candle and lighter here. With lighter, as you can see, I reduce the amount of the flame. That means the heat. But with candle, you will not be able to reduce the amount and you will end up spoiling the panel, right? So check this out. I've reduced the amount, and can you check the distance? Check the distance of the heat and the charging port, right? Engineers, you should give a big distance from the charging port and the lighter, please, so that you will not spoil the panel. Check this out. Everything is clean, it's working, everything is clean, no dust, it's clean. Now take up your blower. So as you can see, this is my blower, and I'm going to remove all the leads inside here, because for me, I don't have the desoldering wire right now, so I'm going to use my blower as a desoldering wire. Here we go. Let me show you how to do it. Let's go. So make sure you apply leads in the hole. Engineers, so one of these holes stuck with lead, others do not stuck with lead. So I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to remove the lead inside this one. Okay, I still have another one here stuck with lead. Okay, let me do the two. Here we go. Check this out. It's removed. And let me do in this other one. Here we go. Check this out. It's removed. Check this out. It's removed perfectly. So without the soldering wire, I can do this. Very simple. Make sure that you apply lead. Check this out. Make sure that you apply lead to the pins. Engineers, check this out. It's very simple. Check this out. So this is the charging port, right? This is the charging port. So make sure you apply leads to the pins. Let me show you. I'm turning my camera now. Okay. Let me set my camera and show you something. Okay. Right here, as you can see, let me zoom. I hope you're seeing now. Okay, so this is the charging port. So let me apply leads to the pins. Here we go. Check this out. This is my soldering iron. Make sure it is hot. Here we go. Check this out. Check the way I'm doing my own. Check the way I'm doing my own. Very simple. Check this out. Very simple. Have you seen? Let me do it again. Very simple, without breaching, without touching with other pins. Check this out. Very simple. And let me show you. Check this out. All the pins are with lead. Check this out. Very clean. Check this out. Very clean. Okay, now let me fix it. Engineers, let me fix it. Let me fix it. Okay, right here we have 4 holes, and right in my charging port you can see that I'm putting exactly charging port I removed, the same charging port I removed, so don't make this mistake. Engineers, right here you can see I try to put the charging port in the holes, but it's so strong it's not entering well, which means one of the hole is not clear enough, right? It's not clear enough. There is still lead in one of the hole here, so I'm going to show you the hole that is with lead. This inside is with lead, so I'm going to put lead and use my blower to remove it, right? Okay, engineers, check this out. If you have question, drop for me in the comment section. If you have question, you can drop for me in the comment section. So there's lead, and let me remove it. Okay, it is very simple. Make sure you first of all apply lead before you blow. If not, you will not be able to blow it. Have you seen? I've applied lead now, so let me blow. Woo! Guys, check this out. It's now open. Okay, so let me put the charging port. Here we go. Wow, it enters perfectly. And can you see? It's shaking. It enters perfectly. Okay, check this out. So let me show you how to solder everything. Here we go. Let me turn on my big lens. Woo, guys, check this out. So let me show you how you can lead all of these legs perfectly, right? Check this out. So here we go. Make sure you apply lead on this first leg. Check this out. Have you seen? Perfect. So make sure you go to this other side too, because we want to stabilize the charging port first. So you try in this side. Have you seen? Okay. Now it's remaining 2 legs and the pins. So you press it and make sure you still apply. Okay. Wow. Very good. Doing this side. Wow. Very good. So we are done now, guys. Let me do this other side. Here we go. No time to waste. Have you seen? Wow. Take time to do it. Have you seen? Perfect. Let me do in this other side. Have you seen the lead touch the charging port? So when this happens, do not worry. Just use your soldering iron and do exactly that you're seeing me doing now, right? Do exactly like you're seeing me doing now. This will even help the charging port to be more stronger, right? Not to spoil very easily. Have you seen? Okay, later I'll use my paste to make sure everything be normal. So let me use my paste now. Okay, just rub it with paste. Here we go. Let me bring my iron again. Let me brush it. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Wow. Okay, it's okay. It's okay now. Guys, it's okay. Okay, so you're going to apply lead in all of these 4 pins. So take time to do it. Guys, don't forget to put lead here. Very, very important. So that when your customer plug charger, this place will not start to expand, to cut out, right? Put lead here to hold the charging port perfectly. Now make sure you apply lead in all of these 4 pins. Take time to do it so that your customer will enjoy your work. Because if you don't take time to do this, when your customer plug the charger, it can pull out the charging port from the panel. So take time to solder everything. Solder everything, engineers. Take time to do it. If you have questions, drop for me in the comment section. I will be happy to see your question. Drop comments for me in the comment section. Engineers, check this out. Now is for the 5 pins. Engineers, I discovered that a lot of people find it so difficult for them to connect these pins to the panel. This is just 5 pins, so it is very simple for you to connect it, right? So I'll only use my lathe and my soldering iron to connect it, right? Okay, first of all, I apply lathe to the bit of my soldering iron, then apply paste here. Check this out. It's very simple. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section. Just apply paste here. The next thing is for you to apply lathe to the bit of your soldering iron. Then after that, you're good to go. Take the soldering iron there, do the way I'm doing. Have you seen? Make sure that your soldering iron is very hot. Check this out. Check this out. It's very clean. Check this out. All of the pins are on their own. Oh, so lovely. So lovely. So lovely. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Very clean. Perfect. Perfect. This works with USB. You can transfer videos, photos, and a whole lot of things. Right? You can flash the phone. Right? Everything works perfectly. Guys, check this out. Very strong charging port. Strong fixing. For beginners, this video is for you. Make sure you learn. For beginners, make sure you learn. Please, learn. Check this out. It's very clean. It's very, very clean, engineers. And this type of repairing, this type of charging port fixing will last very long. Will last very long. Because I do what? I take time to do this. It's not all about rushing. Check inside. It's very clean. No lead inside. Some people used to do mistake and lead gets inside the charging port, which is very, very bad. Check this out. It's very clean. Engineers, check this out. It's very clean. Don't forget to drop me question in the comment section if you have. So let me fix the phone. Engineers, after repairing, for me, I'll fix the phone even without testing because I'm very sure it works, right? Because I'm very sure it works. So for the sake of you guys, don't worry. After fixing, I'll test it for you guys to see. For you, make sure you test it, right? To be sure it works. Okay, let me start to fix the bolt, everything. So without time wasted, let me start fixing it. And guys, I will fast forward this video now so that I will couple everything, then test it for you guys. Engineers, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Okay, so I'm coupling the phone. I'm coupling the phone. Okay, you can see I take time to do everything. Okay, I'm putting the bolt now. Okay, so I'm done. So let me test it for you guys to see. Here we go. So let me bring charger. Let me bring cable so that I'll plug it for you guys to see. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Check this out. You can see it works. You can see it works, right? You can see it works. You can see it works. So let me know what you think in the comment section if you have question. Right here you can see there's a charging light that shows it is charging. Engineers, bye bye for now and see you in my next video coming very soon. I love you.